Let's go, bro. Let's fucking do this. Woo!
There's a corner start kit.
Hey, everybody follow me. I got the best spot. Everybody in here. Every fucking person. Okay, well, everybody's in here already. That's okay. Please don't take my spot. I swear. Good. Fuck yes. It's my shit right here.
Is your pistol working? Let me see that.
I'm sorry. I'm just test firing.
Brandon.
Hey, does anybody like to be friendly fire? No, I'm kidding.
I see you. You know what? Piss off.
Piss off, motherfucker.
I'm gonna get now. Okay.
Yeah. Well, this is a strategy. Don't stick your barrel out. If you do, they know. They know where to come, so they can grab your barrel like this. Keep your barrel out back here, okay? And if you want to peek, do this. Like, just do quick peeks like that, okay?
My laser's perfect, so I can fucking fix it.
It's dry fire. They already started. We're just waiting for him to clear the Hell's Pit out first. Fuck, that's a sick sidearm. Holy shit.
My primary, buddy.
Fuck.
Hold up.
Oh, hell yeah.
You got the...
Fuck, dude.
We're ready.
I like
that shirt.
Oh, that's me.
Going on the funny moments wheel right there.
I might get it with some coat. It still works though.
Yeah, dude, it works.
Yeah, take it out.
Yeah, just hold off. Yo, what's up?
Watch it behind.
I know. They all know where I'm at. They all know. Friendly? No way. No way.
Dude. I'm just gonna go.
Dude, I know, I heard, but that's why I moved that way. I was like, oh shit. What's up, man?
Oh, we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta hold on to this area.
Gotcha.
I've been here the whole time. Yeah. He's down, he's down. Keep watching. Watch that back, too. Watch that back. Yeah, I'm moving, I'm moving.
Hey,
Yep.
we have friendlies over there, so we're good.
Dude, we're holding off strong. No, don't risk it, dude.
Hey, Tristan, get ready for a stack up.
Okay.
Hey, everybody's stacking up. Everybody's stacking up.
I got you, man. Hey, dude, also watch that right just in case they feel it coming out. Okay. Cover.
I'm backing up.
Okay, okay, cover, cover.
Thank you.
Yep, yep.
There's one in that freaking.
Okay.
That right there.
Yep.
On the other side. You got that.
Nice, good shot, dude.
Good shit, dude.
Good shit. High five. Hell yeah.
Oh no, my radio.
He's gone.
Oh, that's a full on.
Yeah, you should fully auto. What the hell? What the hell,
The
dude?
only way they're gonna be able to get us much.
I know.
Jeffrey, back up! Jeffrey!
Hey, I got him. He's on. Dude, good shit.
Right there, see this light?
Yep.
He's in that room.
I got suppressed.
Whoa, who the fuck's full auto?
There's no full auto.
The semi only game, guys. Not that I really care, but yeah, that's right.
Still kind of makes it fair.
Tangle down. I'm surprised they haven't tried to kick open this wall right here.
Hey, you want to go there or want me to go there?
No, I'm just saying, like,
Oh, they're all right there?
yeah, that's where they're coming in at.
Oh,
You look
shit.
right here, look. Look for this
Holy shit.
wall. This wall.
Dude, I wish I had a grenade so I could toss it.
I wish I had my cyclone on me today.
Damn it, dude, you should have brought it.
Getting fixed by a buddy of mine.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
But yeah, like, I've knocked over that wall and fucking cleared this whole room before, dude. Like,
Holy shit, dude, damn. Good shit, dude.
fucking rifle back on me. Yeah, you're good, boss.
Yeah.
We'll make sure it's... You good? Yeah.
Hey, to the right. Hey. Cover me.
Get him right here, go back! You damn infected bitch!
Good shit, dude.
You still got your pistol on you, bud?
Yeah.
Good, I might have to use it.
Okay.
Guys, right there on that!
Here.
Who's hit?
Oh, shit. Here, I'll hand it back.
Come on out!
Sidearm. We need sidearm. Some call.
Guard.
Clear right here.
It's right on your sidearm is right on me. Right there. Hey, watch that room. There's a dude that ran into there.
Which room?
Reloading!
Okay, sorry. That was close. That was a really close shot. Hey, you have a sidearm, right? I see.
Hey.
Got him. He's down.
See his legs? Tristan, through the window.
I don't see his legs.
Get it.
Oh, I see him. He's down. He's down. He's down. Good shit, guys. Good fucking shit. This is fucking awesome. Hey.
Damn, we lost Tristan. He's on the other side of that wall.
Fuck. I'm out.
Have a good walk, bro.
All right, man. Thanks. I'm out. Those motherfuckers finally got me.
Yeah, you bitch.
Finally.
It actually worked. Where are you, man?
Fuck, I can't say. I don't want to say. They're doing fucking awesome right now. I don't want to tell.
I don't know if they're calling me tonight, bro.
Oh no, they got Brandon.
Good shot. Good shot.
Oh, buddy, they got you. Let's take care of it, because I had too good of a round. I don't want to ruin it for them.
I was the last one in that room.
You were the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't want to shoot because I didn't want to ruin it.
No, you're good.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I know I am.
So who's the last?
Huh?
Who's the last now?
I don't know. I think there's a couple on the other side. I'm not too sure.
All right. Well then.
Hey, Tristan, let's go. Come on, let's go.
You want to follow us? Here, let's go. All right.
Go.
Going this way.
Go.
I don't think you guys hit me, so if you did,
I saw you ran this.
Okay, I'll come and hit then.
Yeah, you got me in the net.
I couldn't feel it because I haven't played here, so.
Yeah.
I mean, if you did say you hit me, that would
Put it
call
right
it.
at your chest, though.
Okay, good. Hit. You too, dude. Oh shit, we got a final man! Oh shit!
No, you don't.
We don't?
Saw it on the other end.
Oh shit, guys! Saw! Right hand side! Surrender! Okay, I'll go out. Fair? Alright.
Yeah, let me press my shotgun shells.
See, I can't. We got one guy on the side. Okay, I just saw him. Hey, everyone go in.
Nowhere.
Hey.
Are you fucking kidding me, dude? No,
Oh, right in the fucking shoulder. Ah! Well, I think we hit him. Back in. I got hit. He's over that way.
Is the kid with the pickup gun?
What?
Is the kid with two guns with his
No, it's got a saw. Ow, fuck. Hey, Will, what's it gonna do? It's gonna see you, dude. Oh, shit.
Everyone dead.
Dude, hey, how about you and I just like fucking rush in there?
Oh, I know. I got it. I mean,
I know you did. I saw it.
and then
I
he
have it on
shot me.
footage.
I know, right? And then he shot me.
I have it on footage. There's no way.
I don't care. I know you did. He was all talking to me, and you shot him 3 times, and then you pop up.
Sorry.